Hi guys, in this race here at Sandown, this market here it's only £80,000 matched and there's 3 minutes left on the clock. So this one here, given that all the first 3 horses are very evenly matched in prices, it should be quite erratic, I reckon. But we'll see how this pans out. So I can't really decide what to do yet. I'm gonna wait for something to happen here so I can react to the market. There's no point me trying to predict it. I'll sit here and wait for now, and I'll see what happens here. The previous race is just about to finish, so I'm expecting this the liquidity here to pick up really quickly in the last 2 minutes or so. But you can see here this you can see that the hang on. 1 second, guys. I'm trying to think and trade at the same time here, so bear with me while I'm doing this. I'm gonna go in here with a late trade. You can see I just missed that there, but that's been taken anyway, so you can see that. So it's now been taken. Okay, so you can see the second favorite is crashing in. The third favorite is crashing out heavily. I'm actually quite tempted to go on the backside there. I've already traded out here all the third favorites. You can see, if you look at the graphs here of all the horses, very erratic. They've all jumped out 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ticks in the space of 10 seconds. Okay, so that kind of thing. It's really good to trade the bounce. You can trade the bounce when they start bouncing off each other, but ultimately it's quite difficult to keep track of all these horses. Now, I'm just jumping here on the lay side because I can see the second favorite has crashed through the 4. But due to the erratic nature so far, I'm fairly certain it's going to go back up again, because when you've got 3 or 4 different horses all priced at very similar points, it's going to take a lot of pushing there, back bets for the second favorite to continue going through the 3s or to the 4s. Okay, so I'm quite happy to leave that trade open there, because I'm very certain that the second favorite is going to go back up above the 4s again there, and you can see there now. There it is. Just give that a second, and that £100 should be matched now very shortly on 4.1. Also because it's last 30 seconds in the race there before the off, so things should usually level off at this point here. Just give that 1 second. I might have to drop this down there just because the race is about to go off and they are now loading, so I need to make sure I get out of that position. So yeah. Okay, so with that in mind, guys, you can see very erratic. You can see as soon as the market opens up when the previous race ends, right? So the market just explodes with activity. But then now that it's more solidified, there's £173,000 matched. Suddenly things do calm down a bit, okay? And you can see now that the second favorite is now crashing through the 4s, but obviously because now they're about to go off, you know, I'm not going to re-enter here now because they're about to go off. I've got a £5 profit. I'm more than happy with that, and I can move on to the next race. And at this point here, it's quite tempting sometimes to jump in one last little trade, but it's best just to leave it there, because now that the post time has passed, the liquidity dries up really quickly as people move on to the next race. So with that, man, guys, I'll leave that there now, and I'll move on to the next race. Okay, cheers.